'Cause nobody does it like you. I like the way that you move. That's why I never go through with leaving you. Everybody's
Hi guys, we are from Grace want to present about a narrative text. Before we start our presentation today, let us to introduce ourselves to make you guys more recognize of us. I'm Ezra.
I'm Samuel.
I'm William. I'm Janice. Let's start from definition. Definition is a meaning of a statement of a word, a term, or a text. Definition is also part of narrative text. When you find a narrative text on Google or some web, you also finding a definition. Definition has two classified categories. I will tell you guys about what categories is. For the first category is the intentional definition. Intentional definition is which is part who makes a sound on some text. And the second one is the extensional definition. Okay, right now I will explain to you guys about extensional definition. Extensional definition is a list of objects who participate or a list of objects that describe on some text. When you find under the text again, and when you checking under the text and there is a list of character of objects that describe or who participate on some text, it's called extensional definition. The second one is a purpose. Purpose is also based on a narrative text. Like a definition, when you're finding a narrative text, you're finding a purpose. So, a purpose is a target of some story. And when there is a purpose, we also easily get a moral value. And the purpose is convey the readers and entertain the readers by telling a story. When you're reading some story and you easily get a moral value from there, I could think there is a purpose.
There is five parts from the generic structure. The first is the orientation. Orientation is the part of the main character is introduced himself and the second time. The second is the complication. Complication is the main character and the enemy have a problem. The resolution is the last part in of a story. On there, the main character and the enemy doesn't have problems, and on there have a happy ending or bad ending or mysterious ending.
The language feature in narrative text. 1. Use example like run, jump, and walk. For example, she ran quickly through the forest. 2. Use the adjective like beautiful, happy, and brave. For example, the beautiful princess was loved by all. 3. Use the time connectives like then, after that, and when. For example, after that, she went to the castle. 4. Use the complex sentence that have more than one clause. For example, when she arrived at the castle, she was greeted by the king. 5. Use the dialogue. Conversation between two characters in the story. For example, hello my dear, said the king. 6. Use the description. Description of setting, character, and object in the story. For example, the castle is surrounded by a beautiful garden. 7. Use the emotive words. Words that describe feeling of character in the story. For example, she felt sad and lonely. She felt sad and lonely in the dark forest.
Okay, today and right now I will explain to you guys about what type of a narrative text. For the first one is a fable story. Since we were kids, our parents should tell us about a fable story. Okay, there is a 3 example of a fable story. For the first is Turtles and Whore, the second one is the Lion and the Mouse, and the last is the Ant and the Grasshopper. Okay, I will only tell you guys about one story it's of the Lion and the Mouse. for orientation, on the deeply forest and also in silent night, there is a lion who was sleeping under the tree. Sorry. But the mouse suddenly came run over him and awake the lion. The lion feel awful with mouse because mouse awake the lion. The complication, the lion got mad to the mouse and the lion roared at a mouse because the mouse is bothering him so much. But the mouse is apologized to the lion because I think the mouse is make a mistake. And the lion feel forgiveness of that mouse and the lion accept his apologize. And you guys know what? The mouse is make a promise that he will help the lion when the lion is on a hard situation. The resolution is on a deeply forest also some human put the trap near of the lion and the lion suddenly get trapped of trap and the mouse looked and saw the lion who was trapping over there and the mouse suddenly came run over him also and helped the lion.
Okay, I will explain a story of Thirstico. One day, Thirstico is feel thirsty and he looking for water and he found it. The water is far away from he and then he walk until he get the water. Unique structure of the story is one is orientation. Orientation example is one day on a hot day. Complication is and the resolution is can you? No?
Okay, here from group 6, I'm so sorry if when we explain about our part there is a mistake. I'm so sorry about that because we are human, not Nabi.
Maybe.
Nabi. Thank you.
You say like baby.